and Producers Cooperative Union.
So, I am Micah Escolandres, President of NDBS Kaunlaran Consumer Cooperative and a proud member of Nabotas Consumer Cooperative Union, committed to serving our community with integrity and compassion.
I am Danielle Gregorio, President of the Tangos South Consumer Cooperative, proudly representing unity and cooperation as part of the Nabotas Consumer Producer Cooperative Union.
I am Jericho Lorenzo, President of Bayanihan Alan Fisher Folks Cooperative, and I am proud to say that I am part of Nabotas Consumer and Producers Cooperative Union, and I would like to say this is for sustainable growth and better opportunities for everyone and for our Fisher folks.
I am Meros Arzoriano, President of the Tangos North Consumer and Marketing Cooperative, proud member of the Nabotas Consumer and Producer Cooperative Union, empowering young leaders to build a brighter and a more inclusive future for our community.
I am Kim Jamaica Concepcion, President of Barangay Tanzana Nabotas City, Producers Cooperative, and proud member of the Nabotas Consumer and Producers Cooperative Union, supporting local livelihoods and empowering small producers to thrive through cooperation.
This is our mission, vision, and purpose. Mission statement: to unite, empower, and strengthen the cooperative of Tangos North Nabotas City by promoting shared growth, ethical leadership, sustainable livelihood programs, and active community engagement that uplift the quality of life of every member.
And our vision statement is a united, progressive, and self-reliance Tangos North community where cooperatives work hand in hand toward economic stability, social responsibility, and lasting prosperity for all.
Of course, our purpose is to represent and support all the members of cooperative through collaboration, training, and advocacy to develop projects that promote education, entrepreneurship, and social welfare, to serve as a strong voice for unity and positive transformation in Nabotas City.
And our objective, benefits, and goals of our cooperative union is to strengthen cooperation among all members cooperatives through shared program and initiative, and also to enhance members' capacity through education, skills, training, and livelihood development. Also, to promote transparency, accountability, and good governance within all affiliated communities. Then, to foster partnerships with local government and private organizations for community progress.
Okay. Benefits: access to shared resources, training and funding opportunities, stronger representation and advocacy for cooperative members, collective marketing and product development support, mutual aid during financial or operational challenges.
I am the President of Nabotas Consumers and Producers